It sounds like a concept straight out of a Christopher Nolan movie. If you stand at the base of the Great Pyramid of Giza, you are technically aging slower than someone standing in London, New York, or Paris. Time, the fundamental fabric of our universe, slows down around this ancient monument. Now, this isn't a sci-fi conspiracy theory, and it's not a magic trick. This is a cold, hard fact of modern physics. According to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, time is not fixed. It stretches, twists, and bends based on the environment around it. For decades, people thought the weird energy anomalies reported around the pyramids were just myths. But when physicists applied the laws of astrophysics to these 6 million-ton stone structures, they discovered something shocking. The pyramids are doing exactly what black holes do to the fabric of reality. They are warping time itself. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the mind-bending physics of gravitational time dilation and discovering why the Great Pyramid is legally a natural time machine. Let's dive deep. To understand why time slows down near the pyramids, we first need to drop our everyday understanding of time. We think of time like a river flowing at the same speed for everyone, everywhere. But Einstein proved that space and time are glued together into a single flexible fabric called spacetime. Imagine a tightly stretched trampoline. If you place a small marble on it, the trampoline stays flat. But if you place a heavy bowling ball in the center, it creates a massive dip or a curve in the fabric. In our universe, matter and mass tell space-time how to curve. The heavier an object is, the deeper it bends the fabric of space-time around it. But what does a bend in space-time actually do? It slows down time. When gravity is incredibly strong, it literally pulls on the fabric of time, stretching out the seconds. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. It is the exact reason why clocks on GPS satellites move faster than clocks on Earth. Because the satellites are farther away from Earth's gravity, time moves faster for them. Now let's apply this cosmic rule to Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just a building, it is a concentrated mountain of hyperdense matter. It is estimated to weigh roughly 6 million tons. To put that into perspective, that is heavier than 15 Empire State Buildings combined, all compressed into one single tight space. Because it is made of incredibly heavy limestone and granite blocks, the Great Pyramid packs an immense amount of mass into a relatively small footprint. When you stand next to it, you are standing next to one of the heaviest man-made objects on the planet. This colossal mass creates its own localized gravitational pull. Yes, the pyramid is literally bending the space-time fabric around Giza. Because the gravity is slightly stronger at the base of this massive concentration of stone, the fabric of space-time curves inward. And just like the bowling ball on the trampoline, that curve forces time to stretch out. Every second you spend next to those stones is mathematically longer than a second spent anywhere else on Earth. At this point, you might be asking, if time slows down, why can't I feel it? Why doesn't my wristwatch stop when I visit Egypt? The honest answer is that the human body cannot perceive this shift because the difference is unimaginably small. To measure this, scientists use atomic clocks, the most precise timekeeping instruments in human history, which use the vibrations of atoms to measure time down to the billionth of a second. If you placed one atomic clock at the top of the pyramid and one at the absolute base, the clock at the bottom would tick slower. The time dilation at the pyramid is a microscopic fraction of a picosecond per day. Over a human lifetime, standing next to the pyramid might only grant you an extra millisecond of life. But in the language of physics, the amount doesn't matter, the principle does. It proves that human engineering accidentally built a structure so massive that it altered the cosmic clock of the universe. It shifts the pyramid from a historical tomb into an astrophysical anomaly. The next time you look at a photo of the Great Pyramid, don't just see a pile of old rocks. See it for what physics says it is, a monument that warps reality, bends space-time, and ticks to its own cosmic rhythm. If this mind-bending connection between Einstein's physics and ancient history blew your mind, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the secrets of our universe. Drop a comment below. Do you think the ancients knew the secrets of space-time? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next dimension.